Hi there, welcome to my channel. My name is Surya. In this video, we are going to discuss how to create a XY scatter chart in Excel. XY scatter chart is also known as scatter plot. It is used to display the relationship or correlation between two quantitative variables. The relationship can be described from the form, direction, and the strength of the scatter plot. In this picture, you can see there are three different charts. One represents the first one represents the positive correlation, the second one represents the negative correlation, and the third one represents the no correlation. Positive correlation means when the value of x increases, the value of y also increases. It means there is a direct relationship between two variables. Negative correlation means when the value of x increases, the value of y decreases, which means there is a inverse correlation between or inverse relationship between two variables. In no correlation, there is no relationship exists between two variables. Let's create a XY scatter or scatter plot in Excel. In this table, you will get two columns. One is year of experience and other one is salary. Let's create a XY scatter chart to display the relationship between these two variables. First select both the columns, then go to insert, then recommended charts, then all charts, then XY scatter, then click OK. Let's change this chart title as salary versus experience. Let's add axis titles. Horizontal axis as years of and vertical as salary. From this chart, we can easily say that there is a positive relationship between year of experience and salary, which means as the years of experience increases, the salary of a person also increases. That's all for this video. Thank you.